In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set a timer and enable auto turn-off for your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about setting timers and auto turn-off features on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight to the tutorial steps. Start by navigating to the home screen. From there, move upwards and select Settings. Scroll down to System and then access Power Saving Settings. Under this section, choose Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode. Here, you can determine how long your PS5 can remain inactive before it automatically enters rest mode. Selecting Do Not Put in Rest Mode will keep your PS5 turned on. There are two options available, one for media playback and another for while playing games. Adjust the timings based on your preference. For example, you can set a longer duration for movies and a shorter one for gaming sessions. Additionally, you can set a timer for your controller. After a specified period of inactivity, the controller will turn off automatically. Navigate back to the main settings page. Scroll down to Screen and View and access Screen. Here, you'll find the option to dim the screen while inactive. Adjust this setting to darken the screen after a certain duration of inactivity, which helps conserve power and prevents issues like screen burn-in. These settings can save power and prevent potential screen-related issues. Adjust them based on your preferences and usage patterns. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support inspires us to create more content like this. For more technical videos and gaming tips, visit mediamagnet.business.